There may be residual methanol and pesticides on the surface of agricultural produce. Despite the long cleansing time, not even half of the impurities were washed away. The issue of treating wastewater generated during the cleansing process was also a big concern. To solve this problem, researchers at GNS made various attempts. We even tried to wash the raw materials one by one, but for the peels and for the raw materials that inevitably require pesticides, we couldn't guarantee their safety and cleanliness. Then, GNS gained an idea from the rising air bubbles from an oxygen generator. We established the extraction process of harvesting, cleansing, and extraction. This is how GNS's bubble extraction process was born. Physical impacts created by air bubbles make raw materials to move. It uses the principle of an air compressor. Bigger air bubbles than average collide into raw materials. The bubble extraction process is divided into two steps, washing and extraction. Washing step takes a relatively short period of time and extraction takes a longer time. During the washing step, the process is carried in a room temperature. It can be applied to all types of raw materials including flowers and fruits, and it is applied to effectively remove impurities. For extraction, it can be carried in either at low temperature or high temperature. Low temperature bubble extraction process is applied mainly on flowers and fruits to obtain maximum marker compounds. For high temperature processes, it can be used for hard and tough raw materials. Bubble extraction is GNS's unique extraction process, and can be tailored to any product concept without time or temperature limitations. A unique process of GNS that keeps the raw materials safe and increases extraction efficiency and productivity. When leaves are folded on top of each other, it is difficult to remove impurities. During the bubble extraction, however, air bubbles penetrate between the leaves and collide, removing residual impurities. Mixing water and ethanol to remove oil-soluble pesticides leaves only the active compounds. Earlier, multiple cleaning processes were required, but the bubble extraction is a one-stop solution. With the rise of the keyword eco-friendly, the voice of consumers calling for carbon reduction is also on the rise. Bubble extraction uses impulsive force to maximize the extraction effect while using less amount of solvents and energy. And this is why bubble extraction is suitable as an eco-friendly process that reduces energy consumption and CO2 emissions. Since the oxygen generator is installed into a general extraction equipment, bubble extraction process requires simple equipment and can be controlled easily. The most effective method that allows 25 kilograms to 2 tons of mass production. We conducted a comparison test with other conventional extraction process using the actual ingredients by GNS. For the first experiment, we selected portulaca extract, which is effective for skin soothing. Flavonoids and polyphenols are the representative active compounds of portulaca extract. And the amount of active compounds varied by extraction method. When the bubble extraction was applied, the flavonoid content was increased by about 50%. In case of polyphenols, the content was increased by about 40%, which verifies the effectiveness of the bubble extraction. Next up, green tangerine extract. There are 4 active compounds found in green tangerine extract. In a comparative test with 1% green tangerine extract, the content of hesperidin, a compound known for antioxidation, is increased by up to 500%. We also noticed significant increases in other active compounds with the bubble extraction. The bubble extraction by GNS is a technology that can maximize the efficacies of existing extraction methods, with air bubbles only.